रात एल्टन आणि आमगे साऊथ गोवा विर्यातो कॅप्टन विर्यातो येयलो मागीर एल्टन येयलो खूंय हाय आजी आतां कोण नाय काल 10:30 वरांचेर हांव काल 3:30 आसो नाय पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन आमी प्रोटेस्ट दिवपाक कोण ना आनी आमकां कितें न्याय मेळना आज पर्यंत ते 3-4 दीस जाले आज 5वो दीस जालो जाल्यार आमगे बॉलमॅक्स देखून विथीन 3 hours अरेस्ट केल्लो आमगे कॅथलीक धर्म तुमकां सवाय मेळ्ळा आमगे कॅथलीक धर्म तुमकां सवाय मेळ्ळा जाल्यार हे कित्याक जस्टीस मेळना आमकां एक पयली अरेस्ट करपाचो हो 3rd टायम जाला आतां भायल मनीस येता आनी आमी मांदार कोता आमगे गोंय साहेबाक DNA चॅक करपाक तो कोण आम सांगपाक आम ल्हान व्हड जाले 50 वर्सां जाले पूण आम कोणें एक दीस आम मांदार केलो गोंय साहेबा तो राखोत आमकां सगळे कोता आम सगळीं तेका फेस्तां न्हयेन आम रिस्पेक्ट दिवन वयताय आनी हे येताय आम मांदार कोताय हे हांव प्रमोद सावंताक सांगता CM आम गेलो गोंयचो तुका जायना कोदेल सोडतू गेली आम जिवा मोरपा आहाय आनी ना जाल्यार आम कितें करपा आहा तें तुकोडे आहा पूण सारकें आहा तें कर आनी तेका अरेस्ट कर एज पर तुवें असेंब्ली उलयलो ते भाशेन असेंब्लीत सगळे धर्मा मदें तुवें सांगलेले कोणाकडच्यान ते भाशेन उलोवपाक जायना म्हण आय वील टेक एक्शन म्हणून आतां तूं कितें एक्शन घेयना तुवें कित्याक लिपोवन दवरलो तेका रिजायन जाव कोदेल सोड दुसऱ्या चान्स दी
आयज आमी हांगा सगळे फातोडा आमी कंप्लेन केली आनी आमकां फातोडा PN सांगलें अटॅच करून आमची कंप्लेन एक्चुअली सेक्शन करता ती सगळी थिंग लायिल्ली आहा आनी आतां आमी सगळी आख्खे गोंयचो लोक सालसेटीचो लोक हिंगा एकठांय जाल्लो आहा एजिटेशनाक आनी हांव मागता आनी लोकांनी हें सांगपाक आमच्या पात्रोना लागून सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावचें आनी आमचो रिपोर्ट दाखोवचो
आतां आमी कंप्लेन जी सेक्शन आशिल्ली ती मडगांव काल तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगलें की आयज आमी सकाळ गेल्ली तेन्ना सांगलें की कंप्लेन FIR रेजिस्टर एकूच पुलीस स्टेशनार जाता आनी तेमी बिचोली ऑलरेडी रेजिस्टर्ड केल्या पण जी सेक्शनां आमी घातलेली ती आतां मडगांव आमची अटॅच केल्या तेमी आनी ही कॉपी जी आमी दिल्या ती ऑलरेडी बिचोली तेमी फॉरवर्ड केल्ली आहा पळय ही आसा जी आमची कॉपी आसलेली ती तेंच्यांनी फॉरवर्ड केल्या बिचोली आतां तुमी पयला जो लोक आमचो फातोडा आसलेलो आनी मडगांव लोक आशिल्लो तो सगळोच लोक हिंगा एकठांय जावन आमी ओल्ड मार्केट सर्कला कडेन आमी आसाय जेन्ना पर्यंत सुभाष वेलिंगकराक अरेस्ट करना तेन्ना पर्यंत आमी हें एजिटेशन बंद करची ना आमी हिंगाच रावतलीं केसें कितें प्रॉब्लेम जावं आमी हिंगाच रावतलीं आनी आख्खें गरज पडली जाल्यार आख्खें मडगांवच न्हू आख्खें गोंय सुद्दां बंद करतलीं जाता तितले बेगीन ताका अरेस्ट करपा जाय
जशें निमिशान सांगलें आमी कंप्लेन केल्या आमचो फक्त एकूच डिमांड आसा ते वेलिंगकराक अरेस्ट करपाचो म्हणून आमची जाणटी भुरगीं सगळीं हांगा येयल्या आनी कोणूच हालचें ना जो मेरेन वेलिंगकराक अरेस्ट करना बाकीचें कितेंय जालें जाल्यार पुलीस रोखडे एक्शन घेता आनी हेका आतां आमकां तें सांगता कोण सोदपाक गेल्या खंय तो घरान आशिल्लो हीच हे पुलिसांची हे आनी कांयच जायना तेंच्यान येदो व्हडलो आमचो सिस्टम आसून कसलो फायदो CMान हेजेर कितें तें स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपाचें आनी बेगीनच्या बेगीन वेलिंगकराक अरेस्ट करपाचें नाल्यार आमी हालना
जेन्ना आमचो फादर बॉलमॅक्सान पिलपिटाचेर रावन उलयल्लो तेन्ना तेका रोखडोच तेंच्यान अरेस्ट केल्लो तो देव म्हणयारी देवान म्हाकलो जाणार मनीस तो तेका रोखडोच हे केल्लो जाल्यार हे कित्याक करपाक तांकां वेळ जाता आनी हुंयची बिळान लिपलो आसतो काय तो CMागेर वचून बसलो आसा काय तेणी लिपोवन दवरलो आसा तेका
बाय तूं म्हाका दिसता हिंदू म्हूण तूं गोंय साहेबाक मान
आमी ल्हान आसतनाचेर आमकां खबर आसा आमची आवय व्हरताली आमकां 3 डिसेंबर आमी रावतालीं सामकी जेन्ना एक्सपोजन जातालें आमी सामकी लायनीक रावून तें वचून पळयतालीं इतले सगळे आमचे हिंदू मुस्लीम सुद्दां मुस्लिमांनी सुद्दां स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आसा आमी ल्हान आसतनाची वचपाची थंय आनी अचानक हेजे आमच्या मदीं जे हिंदू मुस्लीम कॅथलीक जे हिंदू मुस्लीम आनी कॅथलीक म्हणून फूट घालता पळय ते आमी अशी फूट घालपाक दिवपाना आनी ते जे इलिगल कामां करता तांकां कितें आमकां हांगा डायवर्ट करून थंय तेंची कामां करपाक जाय ते आमी करपाक दिवपाना आमी सगळीं एक आसा सगळो रिलीजन हांगा येयल्लो आसा आनी सगळीं एक जावन सगळें आमी एज्युकेशन करता आनी आमी हालची ना
आयज हे आमगे सगळीं गोंयकार ह्या गोंयकारांनी आज एकवट दाखयला कित्याक तो आमचो सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जें कितें उलयलां तें सारकें रॉंग उलोवन आतां आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक तेणें हें केल्या सो आमकां दिसता पुलिसांनी जाता तितले बेगीन तेका अरेस्ट करचो जेन्ना आतां आमी सगळ्यांक सांगलां जे फादर आमचे बॉलमॅक्सान एक तेणी हें उलयलो म्हणून ताका रोखडो अरेस्ट केलो जाल्यार तेन्ना आमकां सीएमानूय स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की जो कोण रिलिजनाचेर तेन्ना एगेन्स्ट कितें उलयता जाल्यार ताका रोखडो अरेस्ट करतले म्हणून. पूण आज पर्यंत तेणी हाका 2 दीस जाले अजून ताका अरेस्ट केलो ना. सो म्हाका दिसता आमची मागणी ताका जाता तितले बेगीन अरेस्ट करपाचो आनी एक लोकांकूय मातशी आमकां सगळ्यांक शांती दिवपाची. कित्याक ना जाल्यार हो लोक सगळो आयज येवन पीस जाल्लो हा लोक सगळो लोक दीस काळ रातभर लोक रावल्लो तो पळय आज पर्यंत परती हिंगा आहाय.
He had gone, he is an advocate. He had gone to Fatarda police station. On behalf of Fatarda crowd, he had gone to the Fatarda police station to register the complaint. You will hear from him what they had to say.
So we have filed a complaint. That complaint is already inverted and they have made a covering letter to the Bicholi police station. Wherein the crime number is registered under crime number 100 of 2024. Now over there what they have done is they have only included one section, that is 299. Now there are various other sections which we have mentioned in a complaint which are coming within the ambit. Now besides this, in the Supreme Court actually in Ashwini Upadhyay versus Union of India, the Supreme Court has stated clearly that there should be a suo motu cognizance taken by the police. Now irrespective not taking that into basically talking on that, these sections have to be taken into consideration because the offence is made out into the sections. Those ingredients are already basically included in the complaint. So now the only demand basically is to arrest him, and the second demand is basically whatever complaint we have filed and whatever sections we have mentioned, those may be included in that particular FIR. Because those have not been included in that FIR. And those sections are made out. Section 153 is very clear. Section 153A is very clear. 505 again is very clear. Now these sections along with the sections which are in the new BNS Act 2023 are already mentioned and that is forwarded. So we are only request and demand is that basically those sections be included and the FIR may be made stronger. Because this looks like they have made this FIR so that he gets bail or he's out of it and there is no strong complaint against him and he gets away with it. So these sections need to be included in that particular FIR.
Your name please, doctor?
Mavlon Afonso.
Now, Mavlon
has given lots of nasty statements, and that time also people had complained, but no FIR also was registered that time, and that is the reason he had courage to again rake up this same stupid comment that he has made. Now we had yesterday's complaint where more than 800-900 people signed and had given a complaint. 5 sections were pointed out to the police. It is not that they don't know which are the sections applicable, but in spite of that we have provided 5 sections: 192, 196, 197, 298 and 299. So these sections were provided in the complaint, but what we notice in the FIR that is registered that only 299 is applied on him. Why are the other sections not applied?
What is the details of 299?
Yes, I will read out all the sections basically. See, now section 192 of BNS penalizes those who maliciously and wantonly provoke others with the intent to incite riot. If rioting occurs, the penalty is up to 1 year. Now, who is responsible for all these people coming on the road? Who is responsible? Who has invoked the statements? He is responsible. This section is very much applicable to him. Section 196 of BNS aims to prevent and punish actions that promote enmity and hatred between different groups based on various grounds. Groups can be anything, including religion. By making those statements, he has first of all tried to create enmity, and that's the reason we have cited this section 196 of BNS that it should be applied to him. It seeks to maintain social harmony by penalizing such acts with imprisonment and fine. So isn't he not disturbing the social harmony that exists in Goa? So we demand that this 196 also should be applied. Then we have given 197. Under 197 of BNS aims to punish people who in the name of right to free speech and expression propagate religious hatred. He is talking about that it is his right to speak whatever he wants, but he is creating communal hatred here, religious hatred. So that is the reason we have demanded 197 also to be applied. Then comes 298. Section 298 of BNS. It seeks to ensure the sanctity of places of worship and sacred objects, imposing penalties for action intended to insult or disrespect the religious sentiments of any group. Now, when he says to the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, they are modern, isn't this section applicable to him? 298. So we have demanded 298, which is also not applied. They have applied only 299, that is deliberate and malicious act intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion and religious belief. This is the only section that has been applied. Apart from these 5 what we had given, there is even another section, section 302, which we had not discussed, but police should have also understood that that could be applied. Section 302, it says it deals with the deliberate act of wounding someone's religious feelings, and the punishment for this offence is imprisonment up to 1 year, a fine, or both. So even 302 was applicable to him. So where did the police department fall short of this knowledge that all these sections are applicable to him? Why have not all these sections been applied in the FIR? See, it is a general practice that the police implies many sections. Finally, it is the court who decides whether those sections are applicable or not during the confirmation of the charge sheet. Let the court decide whether these are applicable or not. We have read and shown that it is very much applicable, so we demand that these sections should be included in the FIR that is lodged. And the very fact that all this action is delayed by the government, it is very, very clear that this is all this thing happening under the advice of the ruling government, the BJP government, to create all this confusion and divert people's attention of all the destruction that is taking place all over Goa. Our focus, no doubt, is on this, but we will not let even the other issues that are plaguing Goa to be let loose. The government should very clearly understand, and we hold Chief Minister responsible for all this that is happening, because he is the one who is the Home Minister, and is somehow he is delaying taking action on this person who has done all these rubbish statements, who has made all these rubbish statements. We demand that he should be immediately arrested, and if the Home Minister cannot do this, bring him to book, then he should resign. That would be much better for Goa and Goa.
21 पासून इथं आम्ही काल रातपासून आम्ही मिडनाईट 3 वरांचे 4 वाजल्यापासून राहून आम्ही पोचतो नेलंय. एक जस्ट बिकॉज आमकां अजून रजिस्टर फायल जालो ना केली एक सिंगल लाइन आम्ही एक उतर म्हणलो जाल्यार तुमी देशात सोडटा आलोले. हो पयलो क्वेश्चन टू द पुलीस अँड दिस गव्हर्नमेंट. एक उतर म्हणलो त्यांना असेंब्ली तुम्ही गाजवले आखे आमच्या नावाने उलयलो म्हणून जस्ट बरे उतर हिस्ट्रिकल उलयलो त्या उतरा पण तुमगेर आखे असेंब्ली गाजवली इश्यूवर रेस केले आणि हेणे सगळे सोबे माणसात व्हिडिओ व्हायरल केले आमच्या गोयच्या साहेबाच्या वर साकवाडे इगोजीच्या वर फादर बोलमॅक्साच्या वर आणि एक पासून ताका सेक्शन लागना एफआयआर जायना ताका अरेस्ट कोण नाही केसो रूल्स आम फुटयताय इतले न्हू आनी लोक येतलो आनी आमी वचपा नाय. दिल ताका अरेस्ट केल बगर पासियास पिड्यार केले ह्या सरकारान आनी ह्या विंगडेकारान. शेम ऑन यू ऑल. अरेस्ट करपा जायना तुमकां इतले आसतना एविडन्स आसतना ऑन टॉप आम तुमकां सेक्शन कोण दिला लॉस तुमकां.
आमगेल्या सगल्या इगोचेनी गांठीमान लोकांक एकठांय करूंक जाय. कित्याक आमच्या गोंय साहेबाक इन्सल्ट केला आनी आमी कोणाच्या धर्माचेर एगेन्स्ट वचनात, पूण आमचेर लोकांन हे वेलिंगकारान कोण रे वेलिंगकर डेड बॉडी हे बॉडी म्हणून आमकां जाय. लोकांन एकठांय जालोलो हिंगा. आमचो गोंयचो लोक वॉट्सॅपाचेर मेसेजीचेर ध्यान फायदो ना. आयज हिंगा गरज ते भाशेन ऑपरेशन करता आसतना डॉक्टराक गरज पडना मनीस मरता ते भाशेन आयज आमकां गरज आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांची सगळे गोंय साहेब बरें करून आमकां गरज.
आमी सगलो गोंयचो लोक मोगान आनी एकवटान हाडलेलो. कोणागे सायबीन जावं कोणागे लादीन जावं कितें जावं आमी हिंदू क्रिश्चियन मुस्लीम सगलो लोक एकवटान आसलेलो. कसली गरज नासलोली आमगे धर्माचे भाशेन वयर काडपाक. आमी केन्ना तुमगे धर्माचे कांयच केलें ना. आमी जाय तें डिस्टर्ब जाता फोगेट मारताय ते कलर मारताय ते, पूण आमी आज पासून कसलें तुमगे धर्माचेर कसलें वयर आमी काडलो ना. आतां आतां हांवें सांगिलां सीएमान एक्शन घेतो म्हणून. सर प्लीज हाजे वयर एक्शन घे आनी हाजे वयर आमगे धर्मा वयर आमकां केद ना, कांयच नाका. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉलरेट एनीथिंग.
See, I belong to a Muslim family, but I'm married to a Christian, and I respect all the religion. So I feel like, see, talking against a religion is very bad. You all are doing that whatever processions, lot of Christian crackers, firecrackers, much pollution and all. We never said anything. This thing started from that Sanjay Bhagat who started talking about the julus. And he called for Muslims kapo, he said ghanti, and he said so many things, don't wear hijab, don't wear top. I'm saying tu kon baba, tu right kon dila, tu CM hu, tu prime minister hu, aur tu hum posta, हम तो ये कितने मुड्डे सिर्फ साड़ी का ना कहे, तुम कुंकू लेना कहे, तुम मैं को ना कहे, मान तो कितने मुड्डे ना, पर तू कौन राइट दिला हमके मुस्लिम में सांग पागु, बुर्का का ना कहे मुड़, तू हमके बाला तो चोपा जाई, तू कितने उम्मीद है बाला चोपा को, हाँ? If they want to wear burqa, let them wear burqa. Now Marwadis, they cover their face. Gujaratis, they cover their face. Will you tell them the same thing? No, you will not tell because they are Hindus. You are making partiality first of all in your own religion. There are Dalits, there are this and that. तुमगे मुंशाई घरा असं उदो भी नाही दलिता के असं. Why are you talking about our religion? बोल तुम्ही आपल्या रिलीजन मुंशा इक्वालिटी दिया है, माझे दूसरे रिलीजन है लोग पास है. Now you are talking about Saint Francis Xavier. तू कितना खबर आ रहे गेले? I am Muslim, but I respect Saint Francis Xavier. I believe in Christ. We are talking about you. No, we are not talking about any of your religion. You all have crores of gods and goddess. Did we ever disrespect? तुमगे ये दिए, तुमगे ते दिए, तुमगे देव हिंसा इलाम करना, तुम कितने क्वेश्चन केला, तुम कौन को मानना है? But who are you to question our Saint Francis Xavier? Who is Jesus? Who is Mother Mary? तू कितने खबर है? When you don't know anything shit about any other religion, don't talk any shit, okay? You first learn about your religion. You respect that religion. And first of all, India is a secular country. Learn the fundamental rights of Indian citizen.
Good.
Richard Bob, to call evening sun sorry afternoon sun for the protest. आज येईल तू.
आज येला. आमका एक हर्टेस जाला आमचो गोंयच साहेब तो वेलेकार म्हणतो कोण रे हा तो म्हणटा ती डेड बॉडी ते मोडी म्हूण अरे तू मोड्या कड्या काजार जाल मरे हा कितें सांगत तू चिता आम गोंयकार ओग रावताय म्हूण तुमी चड करीत रावताय आम सगळे एकवटान आय हिंदू क्रिस्तांव मुस्लीम आनी हांव सगळ्या लागीं मागता इगोरचे घाटी मारे फकत फेसबुकाचेर व्हिडिओ कोण धाडनाकाय हिंगे प्रोटेक्ट करे रस्तो बंद करे तेदो कट्टले आमगे व्हॅल्यू हुंया तो हांव तियात्रीस बाबोयना लागीं मागता